Hey friends, I'm Mina, your English instructor. Do you want to learn English faster, but without making it boring? Don't worry, I've got 10 super simple tricks just for you. Let's go. 1. Listen every day. Watch cartoons, movies, or YouTube videos in English. Even if you don't understand everything, your ears will slowly catch the words. 2. Speak daily. Don't wait to be perfect. Just start talking with friends, teachers, or even in front of the mirror. The more you speak, the more natural it feels. 3. Read simple books. Pictures, children's stories, comics, or short articles are great. Small words, easy sentences, and you'll learn faster. 4. Learn 5 words a day. Just 5. Write them, use them in your own sentences, and repeat them. Little by little, your vocabulary will grow. 5. Use apps. Apps like Duolingo, Hello English, or BBC Learning English make practice fun. It's like playing a game. 6. Think in English. Instead of saying in your head, "Mujhe pani pina hai," try, "I want to drink water." Change your thoughts into English. It really works. 7. Write every day. Keep a small diary. Just 2-3 lines about your day in English. Easy, right? And slowly, your writing will improve. 8. Learn with songs. Play your favorite English songs. Read the lyrics, sing along. It helps with pronunciation and makes learning enjoyable. 9. Play word games. Crosswords, word search, spelling games. Learning becomes fun when it feels like playtime. 10. Don't fear mistakes. Remember this, mistakes mean you're learning. So be confident, keep trying, and you'll improve every single day. So friends, which one will you try first today? Tell me in the comments.